डिस्कस द टॉपिक क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कोलोइड्स। मतलब आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कोलोइड्स। तो बिफोर गोइंग दिस टॉपिक वी हैव टू डिस्कस टू थिंग, दैट इज द डिस्पर्स्ड फेज एंड डिस्पर्सन मीडियम। मतलब कोलोइड्स में दो फेज होता है, एक होता है डिस्पर्स्ड फेज, अनंतर होता है डिस्पर्सन मीडियम। तो first, what is dispersed phase and what is dispersion medium? So suppose we are taking an example, we are making a solution, salt solution, salt and water. So in this solution, water is dispersion medium and salt is dispersed phase. Salt is dispersed phase, like this. So in this slide we will discuss what is dispersion medium and what is dispersed phase and what is the difference between them. So a dispersion is a system in which particles of one phase are dispersed throughout a medium that is in a different phase. That means dispersion एक system होता है जिसमें dispersed phase जो पार्टिकल होता है दैट आर डिस्पर्स्ड थ्रू आउट अ मीडियम, विच मीडियम, डिस्पर्सन मीडियम, दैट इज इन अ डिफरेंट फेज। मतलब ये जो फेज है डिस्पर्स्ड फेज एंड डिस्पर्स मीडियम का फेज दोनों अलग हो सकता है। ओके, देयरफॉर अ डिस्पर्सन इज अ टू फेज्ड सिस्टम, दैट्स व्हाई डिस्पर्सन इज अ टू फेज्ड सिस्टम। One main difference of this dispersed phase and dispersion medium is that dispersion medium is a continuous phase. Dispersion medium is a continuous phase, but dispersed phase is a discontinuous phase. Dispersed phase is a discontinuous phase. So this is the basic thing about the dispersion medium and dispersion phase. Now again back in the slide, that is the classification of colloids. So according to the different characteristics, colloids are classified into three groups. Colloids are classified into three groups. Number one, based on physical state of the dispersed phase and dispersion medium. First one is the based on physical state of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Number two, nature of interaction between dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Nature of interaction between dispersed phase and dispersion medium. And finally number three, based on type of the particles of dispersed phase. Number three, based on type of the particles of dispersed phase. So today we will discuss the number one type, that is the based on physical state of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. So in this slide we will discuss the classification based on physical state of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. So in this table you can see that there is a column of dispersed phase, dispersion medium, types of colloid and their examples. So first, if the dispersed phase in solid state and also the dispersion medium is in solid state, the type of colloids is known as solid sol. The type of colloids is known as solid sol. The examples are colored glass and gemstones. Next, if the dispersed phase in solid and the dispersion medium is in liquid state, the type of colloid is known as sol. The type of colloid is known as sol. Example, cell fluids and paints. Next, if the dispersed phase is in solid state and the dispersion medium is in gaseous state, that means dispersion medium gas and dispersed phase solid, this type of colloids are known as aerosol. This type of colloids are known as aerosol. Example: smoke, dust, etc. Smoke, dust, etc. Number 4, if the dispersed phase is in liquid state and the dispersion medium is in solid state, that means dispersion medium है हमारा solid and dispersed phase है हमारा liquid. This type of colloids are known as gel. This type of colloids are known as gel. Example क्या होगा? cheese, butter, jellies, etc. cheese, butter, jelly, etc. Next point, if the dispersed phase is in liquid, if the dispersed phase is in liquid and the dispersion phase also in liquid state, एग्जाम्पल क्या होगा? उसको क्या बोलते हैं? फर्स्ट उसको बोलते हैं इमल्सन. उसको बोलते हैं इमल्सन, मतलब डिस्पर्स्ड फेज भी हमारा लिक्विड होगा, डिस्पर्सन मीडियम भी लिक्विड होगा, उसे कहा जाता है इमल्सन. एग्जाम्पल क्या होगा? मिल्क, हेयर क्रीम, एट्सेट्रा. नेक्स्ट, फिर से डिस्पर्स्ड फेज हमारा लिक्विड है, डिस्पर्सन मीडियम गैस है, उसे क्या बोलते हैं? एरोसॉल. डिस्पर्सन मीडियम गैस, डिस्पर्स्ड फेज लिक्विड है, उसे भी एरोसॉल कहा जाता है. एग्जाम्पल क्या होगा? फॉग, क्लाउड, इंसेक्टिसाइड स्प्रे, एट्सेट्रा. नेक्स्ट, इफ द डिस्पर्स्ड फेज इन गैस बट द डिस्पर्सन मीडियम इज इन सॉलिड स्टेट, इसको कहा जाता है सॉलिड सॉल. इसको कहा जाता है सॉलिड सॉल. एग्जाम्पल क्या होगा? प्यूमी स्टोन, फोम, रबर, एट्सेट्रा. नेक्स्ट, इफ द डिस्पर्स्ड फेज is in gaseous state and the dispersion medium must be in liquid state, मतलब dispersion medium है हमारा liquid, dispersed phase है हमारा gaseous, तो उसे कहा जाता है foam. उसे कहा जाता है foam. एग्जाम्पल क्या होगा? whipped cream, soap leather, etc. तो this is the classification of colloids based on physical state of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. So again you can see that in this slide first is the dispersion medium. First is the dispersion medium, that means continuous medium, and dispersed phase are the discontinuous phase. So first point, if the dispersion medium is in gaseous state, if the dispersion medium is in gaseous state, the dispersed phase is in gas, maybe in gas or liquid or solid. So if the dispersed phase are gaseous, so the colloids cannot form because the gases are mutually miscible. If the dispersed phase are liquid, it is called liquid aerosol, fog, hairspray, etc. If the dispersed phase is solid, it is known as solid aerosol, smoke, cloud, air particles, etc. So we can see that if the dispersion medium is gas and if we can change the dispersed phase into gaseous state, liquid state or solid state, the name and example are also changed. Okay, that's why just have a look in the slide. In this slide the dispersion medium is fixed, we are only changing the dispersed phase, that's why dispersion medium are known as continuous medium and dispersed phase are known as discontinuous process or discontinuous phase. So slide you just note down in your copy for the example. This type, from this topic there are the questions are mainly MCQ type, so you can see that dispersion medium, dispersion phase, type of colloids and example. So in this part we have to learn that if the dispersion medium is liquid or gaseous or solid, or if the dispersed phase are liquid, gaseous or solid, what is the name of the respective colloids and what are their example. So this is the main part of this video. So for your convenience, I will attach every slide at the end of this video, so you can easily note down this in your copy. So this is the end of this video. If you like the video and find that it is informative for you, please like the video, share and subscribe for the regular updates regarding your study. Thank you.